Hey guys, it's Fingers Guru, and I got a package from gripyourdeck.com. I ordered 2 pieces of grip, so I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review. So yeah. Okay, a tiny piece of paper thingy. Piece of orange, neon orange grip. Cheetah snow grip. Got the receipt. And is there anything else in there? Nope, and that's it. So I got cheetah snow and the neon orange. Pretty cool packaging thingy. I'll open up the neon orange first. It's really cool, like it feels like actual skate grip. The holes are already pre-cut, so you don't have to put in new holes or anything. They're, as you can tell, they're pre-cut, duh. And there's like instructions on the back. So I got neon orange. The packing is really cool. I'm not putting it on my deck yet, so I'll have another video showing my entire setup. And then I got cheetah snow. It looks so cool. It feels, you can't really tell, but it feels really cool. So yeah. So 2 pieces of pre-cut grip, cheetah snow and neon orange. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.